sounds lovely.
But it's hundreds of miles away.
Please, Daddy Pig.
Tingnan mo.
All right. We can always go. This is the train station. Miss Rabbit is the train driver.
Huwag ka natatakot nga yan, ha? Ganun mo kasi.
Ayan guys, oh. Ang bunga ng punong ito guys. Nagmumukhang ahas guys, yan oh. Tingnan na mabuti guys. Ito ang bunga ng akasya guys. Mukhang ahas, yan oh. Yan oh, pag nakaharap. Tingnan nyo guys, mabuti ha. Kala mo ahas guys, ano. Hindi lang sa puno guys ang kakaibang tanawin guys, pati sa bunga. Naging mukhang ahas yung bunga akasya na to guys.